Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 8th of July 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.17%, settling the day at 39,375.87 while Nasdaq ended the session at 18,351.34, rising 0.90%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 40,906.55 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,545.16. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,371.50, indicating a flat to negative start for the Indian market. FII bought 1,241.33 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will present the Union Budget on July 23. Banking, financial and insurance majors continue to maintain analysts' favor, as 6 of the 10 counters with the highest optimism in June were from the BFSI space. Now talking about global aspects, Wall Street stock indexes closed firmer on Friday, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq and benchmark S&P 500 hitting record highs, as new data showing US labor market weakness boosted expectations for interest rate cuts as early as September. The US economy added 206,000 jobs in June, slightly below a downwardly revised 218,000 in May and above forecasts of 190,000. WTI settled at $83.16 a barrel, down 0.9%, while Brent settled down 1.02% lower, to $86.54 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.57. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.30%, up. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. On Friday, Indian stocks experienced a downturn, largely driven by HDFC Bank, the prominent private lender. Market sentiment was notably affected by the bank's report of a decline in loans compared to the previous quarter. The Nifty index concluded the day at 24,323.85, while the Sensex ended at 79,996.60. Outlook for the day. The Nifty currently has significant support around the 24,100 level. A breach of this support could lead to a further decline towards 23,800 levels. On the upside, the index encounters strong resistance near 24,400, close to its historical peak. A close above 24,450 may push the Nifty towards 24,600 levels. Consolidation is expected with resistance at 24,400 to 24,500 and immediate support at 24,200. Sustaining above 24,250 is crucial for further gains towards 24,500 and 24,600 levels. Bank Nifty recently broke out of a rising channel pattern 2 weeks ago and has since displayed consecutive bullish weekly candles, maintaining its position comfortably above the breakout level. On the upside, the index encounters strong resistance near 53,200, close to its historical peak, while 52,000 will act as an immediate support zone. A close above 53,200 could ignite further buying momentum, potentially pushing the index towards the significant resistance level of 53,800. Stocks on radar are UBL, Divis Lab, ONGC, Bajaj Auto, Laurus Lab. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.